Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, XLK, Apple, Facebook, daily, weekly. So we had earnings after hours for Amazon and Google and Microsoft, big heavy hitters in the tech sector, and it went well for the bulls. We're having Google looking to see new all-time highs tomorrow. We've got Amazon making its way towards all-time highs. So lots of strength in reaction there. We saw names like Facebook seeing after hours bullish action because of that correlation. So we're anticipating to start tomorrow stronger than where we ended today, which was with a little bit of weakness. So we had the bullish buying of the dip yesterday on the oversold dump on the hourly time frame, and we saw a really significant follow through today. We got nice higher lows and higher highs and continuation. It did fade by the end of the day as we closed near the low, but we're going to be looking up at the high of today, 61.16 resistance tomorrow, followed by 61.25, the all-time high. XLK on the daily time frame, and actually that's not the all-time high, but it is significant multiple year highs, which is acting almost like blue sky breakout would. So XLK on the weekly time frame, a month in a row of straight green. We consolidated this week, but we held exponential support, keeping those bulls in full control. And resistance from now, just 61.25. We're seeing a higher high each week. And once that changes, that would be a short-term red flag, but we'll have to wait till next week to see. So overall, bulls have regained momentum thanks to earnings, and it will likely be enough to keep these bulls in full control for the short-term future, especially with some big names still having earnings to come like Facebook. Apple on the daily time frame, inside, or actually it's not an inside bar. We did see a break of resistance of 157.75, but only by 8 cents. So we're still watching this tight range over the last 6 weeks, and at this point now it's moving average bound. We've got the middle Bollinger Band support that has held multiple times. We have the 50-day moving average resistance that has rejected the price multiple times, and we're looking for a clear break and a close above or below one or the other sometime in the next couple of days as they continue to converge and get tighter and tighter. So the range right now, we were looking for a bull break of 157.75, and we got it, but with no follow-through. So we need that follow-through. A bear break would occur at 155.02. Much closer to a bull break than a bear break, and we'll see what kind of correlation the Apple bulls have with the sector strength that we saw after hours. So we're not confirming the bearish candlestick of last week. The bulls have done a nice recovery. I keep pointing out the potential of the bearish reversal head and shoulders, but if the bulls keep this up, that is not going to be the case. At this point, it's likely going to have to be a bearish reaction to earnings that's going to see this pattern potentially follow through. But at this point, no concern for the bulls, just watching this tight daily range. Facebook also saw some follow through, but 172.25 and 172.28 is the high of the past 2 days, a bit of a double top. So that was a clear resistance that rejected the price, and we closed near the low of the day. But like I said, Facebook bulls were up over 172 after hours. So we are looking up at 172.28, and if we can get over that level, we're looking at 173.24. So keeping an eye on the correlation of these tech names that have not had earnings yet, because the bulls are going to be wanting to buy into them for the potential upside with that reaction yet to come. Facebook on the weekly time frame, healthy consolidation. It is a bit of a big red candlestick. We have pulled back almost 3 weeks, but like I said, with the upside that we are going to potentially see tomorrow and expecting to see, we'll have a more significant lower wick on this weekly candlestick, and it will not be as intimidating as it currently is. And the bulls are trying to close over these exponential supports that have been holding all year, and to do so, we have to close over 171.44, and these earnings are going to give a nice boost for the odds to do that and maintain support to increase. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in over the weekend, and I can't wait to see you then.